Welcome everyone. Today we'll explore information presentation, how we can turn data into meaningful visuals like reports, dashboards, and charts. These tools help us communicate clearly and make better business decisions. By the end of the session, you'll understand what information presentation means, why it matters, the key methods and tools used, and how to apply them practically using the ClickUp Gantt chart. Information presentation is the process of organizing and displaying information in a clear, visual, and structured way. Instead of sharing raw data, we show insights that people can easily understand and act upon. The purpose is simple: to communicate insights effectively. We use visuals to support decisions, simplify complex information, and keep our audience engaged. We can present information in many ways: through written reports, visual dashboards, charts, graphs, infographics, or slide presentation. The right choice depends on your audience and message. Effective presentations follow 5 key principles. First is clarity, which makes it easy to read. Then is accuracy, which is used to use correct data. Then there comes consistency, which keeps fonts and colors uniform. Then there is relevance, which includes only what matters. And the last is visual hierarchy, which highlights the most important information first. For example, a feasibility report for launching a new service might include charts for market share, cost analysis, or project timeline. These visuals make it easy to see whether the project is practical and profitable. Several tools can help us present data visually. ClickUp for dashboards and Gantt charts, Power BI for interactive analytics, Canva for infographics, Excel, Google Sheets for charts, and Google Slides for presentations. Each serves a unique role in communicating information. Your assignment is simple. Open your existing ClickUp project, switch to Gantt View, and take a screenshot showing your tasks and timelines. Then write 3 to 4 lines explaining what the Gantt chart shows about your project's progress and its deadline. Submit it as a PDF or otherwise show me in the class. Before we end, remember the main goal of information presentation is to communicate insights clearly. Whether it's through a report, chart, dashboard, or your visuals, should at least be turning the data into the decisions. Thanks for listening. Now let's practice making our own visual presentation.